because something is going to be sold as agentic AI is going to turn out not to be effective for them. And the reality is it's a misapplication of the technology. They're not thinking proactively in terms of where those architectures should be leveraged. And that's what's missing in all these discussions now. And it's not just HPE, but AWS, and you look at my other Cloud Insider channel, I talk about that, where everybody is just all in on this agentic based system. And I think what happened was 3 or 4 years ago when generative AI kind of hit, they felt they missed that. In other words, it showed up, it had a huge impact in the market. The big technology companies couldn't pivot to take advantage of the marketing hype behind agentic for generative AI, when the ChatGPT stuff came out and the OpenAI stuff came out. And it basically was an implementation of research that's been done for a long period of time. Great. Certainly that's had the impact, but now we're hearing the word agentic, and then suddenly everybody's all in because they're afraid they're going to miss that trend. And in doing so, I think they're over applying that concept to the point that people are confused, to the point where if people try to implement the technology the way it's being described by HPE and some of the other vendors out there, it's not necessarily going to provide value. It's going to be the opposite, which is not what you want to do. You want to guide your customers to some sort of sensible, value-based conclusion, and they're moving them to more complexity, more costs, and no additional functionality or business value that's going to be brought back to the enterprise.
These AI admins will continuously optimize your infrastructure and resolve issues, helping you save both time and cost. To bring this vision in...
Again, what does that mean?